your first programming business, or learning programming the easy breezy peasy wheezy way. At the moment, the most popular code editor is worse than an ad-infested 1998 website. Ew. When the first thing you touch in the world of programming is insanely broken and irreversibly unusable, this means you are not entering the bright and shiny future, but rather Wild, Wild West, with gold still scattered among all the streams. You should understand that programming is starting just now. JavaScript has just now received multiple server-side runtimes. And the only thing that is any good on a smartphone is the browser. For the app lovers out there, soon you will have to wait 10 minutes for the ads to finish. You'll change your mind real quick. The technology stack is JavaScript, HTML, CSS. It has been like this for a long time, and it's going to stay that way for a long time. And these technologies will be slowly evolving into something else. But that evolution will be slow and wise and for the better. It is not too bad to venture into modern Perl or Java, or even stare at some Python, Ruby, Rust, and Go. But if you want your app to have users, it needs to be on the internet. And the first day that you think about it, if it is any good, the first day is the day. And you can only achieve that with programming above programming. And that means the process of building an application is similar to creating a series of articles on a wiki or the Wikipedia. You type in your application name, you get a pretty blue link, just like on the wiki. You click on it, and the page says, "This application interface does not yet exist. Do you want to create it?" And you click create, and you will have to describe what the user must have. Email, maybe membership up until the end of the month. And then you describe the first component on the page. You speak with basic behavior-driven development and simply move on to the next page. You may describe a home page, a product catalog, a checkout, or giving the user half an article to read and then asking them to sign up to get at the rest. Or you may be independently inventing this very program, to which I say, use Bootstrap and Svelte and make it mobile first. It is just a simple wiki. And if you use that little open source PouchDB, then it will work offline too. And those documents are a perfect fit for application pages too. Don't worry about programming yet. Focus on describing your invention. See, the most powerful version of metaprogramming is a BDD description of a program where you can set small bounties for every feature you need, and then have other programmers come in, visit your website, sign up, and do the programming for you. It's good to learn programming, but to program large applications, you will need many programmers or it will take years. Years are good for learning. Years are not good for creating applications. So a metaprogram helps other programmers program the application that you describe. They may receive $9 per feature. Some may be making $90 a day. Having mapped everything out, sometimes even attached pencil drawings of the interface, you can even help your investors understand what your application is about and where things are going. It is very unfortunate that this simple program does not yet exist, though I must admit somewhat poetic. But maybe you, perhaps along with your classmates, can learn programming and program it the old way. You'd create a new market for custom program components, make it so that many can submit their entry to get at that $9, but only one person will take that $9 home, though others will be recognized as active programmers and rise in ranking and have something to show in their portfolio. But make no mistake, it is a wild, wild west out here. The bright new world of programming, the skyscrapers and highways and telecommuting has not yet arrived. It won't get here for another 100 of digital years, which are shorter than real years. Get your programming hat on, stake your claim, hi-yo silver hallway, and start inventing.